Welcome back to the Not Pro but Not Bad. Today I got actually some parts to put on the truck. Got these clips, door panel clips. I already used one or two of them. Came from China. We got some two 6x9s we put in. Some mine are falling out. Gotta work on those. That's why the door clips. And we got this. See, Duralast Vehicle Electronics. High quality materials. Oil. Sensor. Put that on today. For sure this. Get to these. And then I think I have another 2 or 3 things to do. Do a mishmash. Alright, so. Well. If you can see it, sensor's right down there. Oh, that little dot, that's it. Everything's in the way, it looks like. I've already unplugged the wire. It is right here. A little worse from where, but we'll clean that up. And then hopefully just replacing it will be fine. Tighten this Thor. Maybe some vice grips. This is a great spot to put in. Genius thinking. Let me get some. Well, yeah, we'll figure Batman, we got it. And I think I got something for that too. Perfect. As you can see right there, it looks like it was rusted. They put a little of that paint or plumbing tape on it, but it looks like it rusted through. There's a big old boy. Already got that. What do you think? And they look to be. There's so much grind. Problem? What do you think? Problem, not problem? Problem. Oh yeah. I think it's in. Little tingle never hurt. I think it's time for dinner. Signing out, signing in, signing something. Like, subscribe, like. I got 23 subscribers, so if I get 24, I could possibly get a hug and kiss from my wife. So that's on you guys. Just welcome. You're way welcome. Thank you. There we go.